And here is your... and... Oh, let's start again. I am back with another motorhome, and what better way than to start again. That is a big sting. Hello everybody, I am back and I am gonna go again. And upholstery in here and blah blah. Lovely You do have several privacy drawers. What better vehicle to start off with than our and then your full fridge below. Now this is an automatic 3-way full freezer. Starting with your full. I'm like, hello. I wanted a kickstart to announce. I wanted to do that again. On to the main bedroom. The main bedroom. There is some do you know what? I'm gonna be real cheesy about this. Okay. And just look at that view stretching out over the fields. Wherever you want to park.